How to show password behind the asterisk in Google Chrome. Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to show password. The first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Chrome and head over to any site where you have to enter your password. So let me just go ahead and search for Viber login and click on this. Now I'm just going to go ahead and type in a random number here and random letters, symbols. So once you've done that, as you can see, there is no option to show password on this page. So this feature can be handy on this. All you have to do is right click on this password, go to inspect elements. Now you're going to have to find something called input type. So as you can see, the input type is set to password. You can see the value right here. You don't have to show it necessarily. This is the password that I've just entered. But if you want to double check and show the password, double click on this password text and then make sure that you type in the type as text. Hit enter. And as you can see, this is the same value that is shown right here. So that's how I basically show password behind the asterisk. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll show you guys on the next one.